Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home garden decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're bringing the beauty of nature right into the heart of your home. The kitchen. That's right, we're talking about the best houseplants for your kitchen. The kitchen is often the busiest, most functional room in our homes. It's where meals are created, families gather, and often where we start and end our day. But beyond its utility, your kitchen has incredible potential to be a vibrant, refreshing space. And one of the easiest ways to achieve this is by introducing some greenery. Adding houseplants can instantly transform a sterile cooking zone into a lively, inviting haven. So what do we mean by houseplants for the kitchen? We're referring to a curated selection of indoor plants specifically suited to thrive in the unique conditions of a kitchen environment. This means choosing plants that can tolerate fluctuating temperatures, varying humidity levels from cooking, and different light exposures, from a sunny windowsill to a shadier corner. Beyond just surviving, these plants are chosen to enhance the kitchen's aesthetic, bringing natural beauty, texture, and a sense of freshness to a space that often benefits from a touch of living decor. They should ideally be relatively low maintenance, integrating seamlessly into your daily routine without demanding excessive care. The benefits of having houseplants in your kitchen are truly fantastic. They offer an instant aesthetic upgrade, softening hard lines and transforming a functional space into an inviting sanctuary with natural color and texture. Importantly, many varieties also offer improved air quality, acting as natural purifiers to filter out common toxins and cooking odors, making the air you breathe cleaner. For the culinary enthusiast, incorporating plants allows for fresh herbs at your fingertips, elevating your cooking with the convenience of an indoor garden. Beyond the practical benefits, being surrounded by greenery provides a significant mood boost and stress reduction, making time spent in your kitchen more mindful and enjoyable, and providing a constant, soothing connection to nature right in the busiest room of your home. One pothose. The pothose, or called Epipremnum aureum, are truly some of the easiest houseplants to care for. They adapt well to a variety of different light conditions and are considered to be relatively drought tolerant. Plus, they make excellent hanging plants, so there is no need to waste valuable counter space. Pothose is toxic to animals and humans. 2. Philodendron. The philodendrons are another genus of low-maintenance houseplants that look great in hanging baskets. Similar to pothose, they are considered relatively drought tolerant and can grow in bright to medium indirect light. These foliage plants come in a wide variety of shapes and colors and are notorious for being great air purifiers. It's also toxic to humans and animals. 3. Herbs. Growing herbs in the kitchen may seem like an obvious choice, because there is truly nothing better than cooking with fresh, organic, homegrown herbs year-round. As long as your kitchen has a location that receives bright, direct sunlight for the majority of the day, herbs will grow easily. Alternatively, you can also grow herbs with the help of a grow light. Easy herb varieties to grow indoors include chives, parsley, mint, thyme, rosemary, basil, oregano, and cilantro. 4. Succulents. If you have a bright sunny windowsill in your kitchen, succulents are a great option. The term succulent describes plants that store water in various structures such as their leaves and/or stems, which makes them drought-resistant and generally low maintenance. There are hundreds of different types of succulents that come in a variety of stunning shapes, colors, and sizes. Popular succulent species include Echeveria, Haworthia, aloe vera, crassula, kalanchoe, sedum, and more. Though most succulents are not toxic, note that kalanchoe and euphorbia succulents can be toxic to humans and animals. 5. Spider plant. The spider plants, or called Chlorophytum comosum, are among the easiest houseplants to care for. They make excellent hanging plants, and when they are happy, they flower and send out offshoots prolifically. Avoid placing a spider plant in direct light, as it will cause the leaves to burn. 6. Snake plant. The snake plants, or called Dracaena trifasciata and previously called Sansevieria trifasciata, also commonly known as mother-in-law's tongue, are among the most popular houseplants, and for good reason. They come in different colors, shapes, and sizes and are generally low maintenance. There's no need to take up valuable window space with these tropical plants. They do well in bright to low light conditions. Snake plant is toxic to animals. 7. Rubber tree. If you are looking for a large statement plant for your kitchen, rubber trees, or called Ficus elastica, are a great choice. These relatives of the fiddle leaf fig are adaptable to many growing conditions and can grow into full-size trees in their native habitat. When grown indoors, regular pruning keeps their size and shape under control. Choose from several varieties of rubber trees for colors to match your kitchen's design. The plant is toxic to animals. 8. 8. Coffee plant. Whether you are a coffee lover or not, the coffee plant, or called Coffea arabica, makes a great addition to any kitchen. While it is unlikely that you'll be able to harvest coffee beans from an indoor plant, the glossy leaves and compact growth habit make it attractive nonetheless. Coffee plants require bright, indirect light and frequent watering to thrive. Note the coffee plant differs from the pet toxic coffee tree, or Palisches guilfoylii. 9. ZZ plant. If you are looking for a low-maintenance addition to the kitchen, look no further than the ZZ plant, or called Zamioculca zamifolia, also commonly known as the Zanzibar gem. These stately houseplants are extremely adaptable and thrive in low light and bright light conditions. Plus, since they grow from rhizomes, they hardly need to be watered. The plant is toxic to humans and pets. 10. African violet. For those who enjoy flowers in the kitchen, African violets, or Hyacinthia ionantha, are the perfect houseplant substitute. A happy African violet will flower just about year-round and come in several beautiful colors. These compact houseplants enjoy bright, indirect light and frequent watering. Adding houseplants to the kitchen freshens the space and also has practical applications. The right plant can help purify the air, add a splash of color, or even provide fresh produce year-round. Remember that not all plants will thrive in every kitchen, since each space has unique light, humidity, and temperature conditions. However, these 10 houseplant types of popular houseplants for the kitchen are a great place to start. The best houseplants for a kitchen are those that can grow well in the type of air that's in your space. Kitchens can be humid or dry at various times. Some succulents like aloe vera and the snake plant, for example, and herbs are ideal houseplants for the kitchen. You can put plants in your kitchen, but matching the right plant to your kitchen's environment is key. For example, some plants require more light than others. Consider using grow lights if your kitchen is dark. In feng shui, plants are fine in the kitchen if the number of them is kept to a minimum. Feng shui principles explain that plants represent wood, wood feeds fire, and too many plants can feed the fire and create an imbalance. Whether you have a tiny corner by a sink or a sprawling kitchen island, there is a perfect plant out there waiting to bring life and style to your cooking space. Incorporating these green companions is a simple, effective way to elevate your home's decor, purify your air, and ensure your kitchen feels as warm and welcoming as the food you prepare in it. It's time to bring that garden magic indoors. What's your favorite spot in the kitchen for a plant? Tell me your best kitchen houseplant success stories in the comments below. If this video inspired you to add some greenery to your kitchen, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. We share new ideas every week to help you make every corner of your home, inside and out, absolutely beautiful. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy planting!